This year we're doing a job in College Station, and that's there with a couple other Smith Pump employees and a contractor. And we're on a really tight schedule, and as I recall, it was a really hot day with very little shade in the area. And Matt, our sales guy, probably was dressed nicer than he is. No, he was wearing that. So Matt, his buttoned-up polo, is faced with the opportunity to continue the job and get it done. And the challenge is new conduit has to be run because the wires won't fit through the old conduit. And in order to install a new conduit, it's not a very fun chore. You have to dig a trench. And everybody looked around and said, I don't want it, it's too hot. And so the award, Matt, is best use of a hand tool by a salesman.